What is up, guys and gals? So today I have a quick tutorial on how to change out your roll for a Brother printer. I got the Brother QL1110. I ran out of the labels today, and I had a spare one, so I just changed it out. And I started looking into the best way of getting this apart and getting my other one on, because chances are, if you ordered one, ordered repair or replacement labels, they probably look like this, and they don't come with a spool. So the way to get that apart, the first step is to get this off, and the way I went about doing that is just by cutting that back end off. Once it is off, or you cut it and you take it off, I've seen a guy get it wet and just kind of peel it off. I found it a lot easier just to go this route and get it done this way. And then the next step we're going to do is we're going to be taking off this end here. If you're looking on your printer, that's the side that is on the right side. Might not be able to see it here, but it's here on the right side. It's the piece that looks like this. The way to do that, just hold on to the end. You don't really need to do anything on this end. Hold on to the end and you're pretty much going to be pulling this side off. So I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure, and just like that, it pops right off. As you guys can see, it lines up. There's a little notch right over here. There's a notch there, and it lines up with the slot there lines up with a notch there. It goes in just like that. And then as far as putting on the replacement labels, make sure you are, if you need to look at your printer, or if you have your old printer set up already, you're going to want to use it to make sure everything's in the correct position. And I did break off my tab on this piece when I was trying to take everything apart before I kind of figured it out. So I did break off the tab that's there. Now I got to line up the tab there with the hole that is here, and it should click in place, and it does. So then this piece is on this side. This lower part is going to be down in your printer. This side is going to be forward. And the way the labels go are like this, with the arrow pointing forward or towards you, just as if it were coming out. And then when we go to replace this, there's only one way for this to go on. There's that slot and the notch. We can go ahead and line those two up and apply some pressure, just like that. It is now on, and it's a little tougher to take apart. So there you guys have it. It is replaced. It'll go just like this back into the printer, and just like that, I already have my replacement one in place. Once you get it in, close it. You might need to adjust it, slide it out forward. If you want to just slide out the first one and cut it, you could do that as well. So that's just my quick way of doing it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comments, questions, anything like that, just drop those in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.